Good morning. World Oceans Day provides a unique opportunity not only in honoring but also in conserving and in protecting our ocean. Every year it is observed on 8th June to raise global awareness about the importance of ocean in our lives and the ways through which we can protect it. It is rightly said that without water, our planet would be one of the billions of lifeless rocks floating endlessly in the vastness of the inky black void. There are 5 oceans, and they are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Southern Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. The oceans are the lungs of our planet. They provide oxygen for breathing. They are a major source of food and medicine and a critical part of biosphere. We know that 3/4 part of our whole earth is full of water. It is our responsibility to save our ocean and marine life from the danger of global warming. No doubt, World Oceans Day is a big step established by the Association of the Ocean Project and the World Oceans Network to save the equilibrium of water and lives on Earth. The theme for World Oceans Day 2019 was Gender and Oceans. The theme for 2018 was Preventing Plastic Pollution and Encouraging Solutions for a Healthy Ocean. And this year, the day will convene under the theme Innovation for a Sustainable Ocean. Pollution through plastic causes severe harm to the marine life. Per year, around 8 million tons of plastic ends up in the ocean. Around 1 million seabirds and 1 lakh marine animals per year are affected by the plastic pollution. This day is celebrated every year with a proper theme to give knowledge about the oceans and their effects on the daily life of people. Government of Canada had proposed the concept of World Oceans Day in 1992. Officially, World Oceans Day was established by the United Nations General Assembly in 2008 to be celebrated worldwide annually on 8th June to resolve the problems of oceans and to save ocean water. Now, let's have a look at the importance of ocean. Oceans are the lifeblood of the planet Earth and humankind. It holds 97% of our planet's water. They produce more than half of the oxygen in the atmosphere and absorb the most carbon from it. Ocean provides a good range of goods and services that are an integral part of our health, economies, and also for our weather like fisheries, shipping routes, etc. Oceans are an integral part of our water cycle. Ocean controls temperature and weather by absorbing over half of the heat reaching to the earth from the sun. Vast amount of greenhouse gas, that is carbon dioxide, is absorbed by the ocean water and help humans in tackling the problems of global warming and climate change. Marine plants also produce half of the oxygen that we and all other land animals breathe. The ocean is a #1 source of protein for more than 1 billion people. The ocean is home to the greatest abundance of life on our planet. Oceans provide jobs to fishermen, surf instructors, lifeguards, harbors, water sports businesses, marine-based tour operators, holiday accommodations, and sailors. Therefore, we can't ignore that water and air, the two essential fluids on which all life depends, have become global garbage cans. These are the words of the famous oceanographer Jacques-Yves Cousteau. At last, the real cure for our environmental problems is to understand that our job is to salvage Mother Nature. Therefore, dear children, it is an individual's duty to participate and contribute in protecting and preserving our shared ocean. So, it is desirable to get together with our family, friends, and community to create a better future for our planet. Save ocean, save water.